What's going on, Gurpuri here. In this video, I'm going to give you a full breakdown on the E1U Life affiliate marketing program. I'm going to share with you exactly how to join, how to access your affiliate links, how to start promoting this program, and even information on the compensation plan and some strategies that's allowed me, as you can see right here in my dashboard, to generate over $50,000 in just a few months of promoting this program. Now, before I continue, at any point in this video, if you want to get started, there's going to be a link directly below. And if you get started through me and you join at that Vertex Live level, the highest level, you're going to be able to access over $4,000 worth of bonuses totally free, including some of my video training, copy paste ads to post, resources to really force you, if you will, to succeed with this program, okay? Because I really believe in it. So first off, there's going to be a link. Eventually, you'll get taken to join, okay? If you go down below, you'll get taken to this page, okay? Now, you can look over, I have all my bonuses listed here, but you can also click here, right there. And when you do, you'll get taken to this page. Now, this is the sign up page, okay? You want to create an account. All you have to do is fill out your information, create a username, put in a password, okay? Put your information there and then submit. And then once you log in, you'll get taken to this page. Now, the first thing is the dashboard. This is where you'll be able to see your stats on a daily basis. You see your active members. These are people that have actually paid and joined under you. Your total members, this is how many people in total have created an account. And then your total earned right there. Now, the first thing you want to take in mind is the My Links. Okay, so if we open this up, this is where you're going to be able to get your affiliate link. Now, they have my opt-in pages. At the time of recording, they have 5 different options, and then they have sales pages. Now, I highly recommend you always promote the opt-in page because you want to capture your lead's email address, and then you can follow up through email. If you just send them to the sales page and they don't decide to buy right away, then you're going to be missing out on a lot of leads. So you could take any one of these, okay, copy it, and I'll show you what it looks like real quick. Okay, so this is a very professional landing page. And again, this is totally done for you inside of E1U Life. When someone goes here, they put their name and email and they submit. You will be able to see that leads information inside of your dashboard. You can go to Marketing Hub and go to My Leads, okay, and see. But I'm going to put this in a notepad, okay, this affiliate link, because we want to keep this handy. Now, the next thing you want to keep in mind is My Packages. So if we go there, basically, the way it works with E1U Life, it's a pay-to-play program, which most affiliate programs are that are at least high ticket. So what this means is we earn commissions based on the level we join and below. So that's why it's best to come in as high as you can. The Vertex Live is definitely the most popular because what you can do is actually unlock all the levels just by joining at that highest level. So the Vertex Live, it's a $2,500 one-time payment. So the way it breaks down is basically at every level inside of E1U Life, there's a payment you make to the affiliate marketer you join under, and then there's an admin fee. Now, both of these are one-time payments. For the Vertex Live, it's a $2,000 payment plus a $500 admin fee. Okay, so you would invest that and you unlock not just training, but you would also get email templates, multi-page funnels, a built-for-you website if you want E1U Life to build you a website. So this is very powerful as a marketer if you join and promote this as an affiliate program. But looking at it from your side, when you join and start promoting this to other people, you're going to be able to earn 100% instant commissions. That's one of the main benefits of promoting this as an affiliate, because a lot of those programs, if not virtually all of them online, take a long time to get paid. If you go to ClickBank and you promote a product on ClickBank or JVZoo, you have to wait sometimes 2 weeks up to a month to get paid. With this, when you make a sale, you get paid instantly. Now, if you go to My Account, you can go to My Payment Options, and you can choose how you want to get paid, and you'll be able to receive your income, your commission money, right? So that's the next thing you want to understand. The level you join at qualifies you for that level and the levels under it. Now, you can go to New Users, okay? So they have a 30-day blueprint that talks more about the products, strategies, things like that. Another thing you want to keep in mind is My Products. So if you go to My Products, you'll be able to access tons of video training on different things such as marketing, success tips, productivity. Okay, so these are tons and tons of training. So unlike other affiliate programs that you may join where they leave you kind of stranded, you don't have any video training, this teaches you exactly how to start marketing. So once you get your affiliate link, as I saved in this notepad here, you would have your own. You can use these video trainings to go out there and start to get traffic, start to get clicks. And then once you send it to this opt-in page, then you can start to follow up with these people and start to make these high ticket commissions. Now, you'll also be able to go here to My Referrals, or if you want to see referrals for each package, okay? Now, I'm not going to open up that tab because I do have people's personal information as far as email, phone number, but in there, you'll see your signups. And then if you want to direct message them, or if you just want to kind of see where your sales are coming from, you can actually see all that information there. And then support, okay? So they have tons of incredible support, customer support as well. So you can get answers if you have any questions or things like that. It's very simple, okay? I mean, that's really the basic of it. The main selling point as an affiliate marketer, if you're watching this video for the affiliate program, you get paid instant 100% commissions up to $2,000. It's high ticket. You know, you get the money right away. It's just a no-brainer, in my opinion, after being online for over 6 years, okay? So now, real quick, I want to just give an overview of some of the bonuses. Again, when you click that link below, you'll see all these bonuses as well as how to join me. But, you know, one thing is you're going to get access to my social media mastery course, which gives you Instagram, Twitter, okay, YouTube, and Facebook right here, marketing secrets. These are step-by-step over-the-shoulder video training I've personally created after generating over $50,000 within a few months of this program. And I'm going to share with you things I've never before shared online, strategies. This is all free traffic to get tons of clicks to your link to start to make sales. Another bonus is access to my personal file of my top 7 best lead generation social media posts that you can actually copy and paste on your social media to start to generate leads as soon as today. Access to a high ticket sales secrets book, sharing secrets to make these high ticket sales, and much more, okay? Also, I'm gonna be giving a 3-day Miami vacation stay in a luxurious hotel, totally free, for people that join me at that Vertex Live level. So again, you wanna go down below and get started right now. I hope you got value in this video. I hope this answered your questions. If you have any more questions, comment them below under this video. I'll be sure to answer them. And until next time, my friend, take care, and I'll talk soon.